To assemble your Avantco meat grinder, insert the housing into the enclosure, ensuring the pin aligns with the hole. Use your hand to tighten the thumbscrew to secure the housing in place. Place the white washer onto the back of the auger. Insert the auger into the housing, rotating it back and forth to align the square end with the drive bushing of the grinder. Make sure the auger is pushed all the way against the white washer. Attach the grinder knife onto the square end of the auger with the flat side facing you. Insert the chosen grinder plate, starting with the larger perforations and gradually moving to smaller holes. Make sure the raised hub is facing towards you. Check that the outer edge of the round knife is aligned flush with the end of the housing. If needed, lift the round knife to help align the pin with the notch at the bottom of the housing. Thread the retaining ring onto the housing and tighten it securely. As a general note, tightening the ring creates pressure between the cutting surfaces, resulting in a better grind.